Sunday marks the 101st anniversary of Korea's independence movement. Upon the occasion, President Moon Jae-in asked the people of Korea to come together to win the battle against the novel coronavirus. Our Kim Min-ji reports.
President Moon Jae-in has called for national unity to overcome the COVID-19 outbreak based on the spirit of the March 1st independence movement in 1919. In his address to mark the 101st anniversary on Sunday, Moon said that the people were joining forces to win the battle against the virus and revitalize the economy.
우리는 국가적 위기와 재난을 맞이할 때마다 3.1 독립운동의 정신을 되살려냈습니다. 코로나19는 잠시 우리의 삶을 위협할 수 있지만 우리의 단합과 희망을 꺾을 수는 없습니다.
The event, held each year to commemorate the nationwide uprising against Japan's colonization, took place on a much smaller scale due to the outbreak. The president's speech was also heavily focused on stressing the need for concerted efforts to tackle COVID-19, in contrast to the past when he usually addressed South Korea-Japan relations or the peace drive on the Korean peninsula. President Moon thanked local companies and people for their voluntary support to help those in the southeastern city of Daegu and Gyeongsangbuk-do province, the hardest hit areas. He added that the government will also swiftly use reserve funds and draw up a supplementary budget.
우리 국민 모두가 방역의 주체입니다. 서로를 신뢰하며 협력하면 못 해낼 것이 없습니다.
President Moon also highlighted the need to work closely with neighboring countries. On North Korea, he called for cooperation in healthcare, saying that responding together would make the lives of Korean people safer. Moon added by expanding inter-Korean cooperation into various areas, peace on the peninsula would become more solid. As for ties with Japan, which had become strained following Tokyo's export restrictions, the president stressed the need for joint efforts to foster future-oriented relations.
과거를 직시할 수 있어야 상처를 극복할 수 있고 미래로 나아갈 수 있습니다. 과거를 잊지 않되 우리는 과거에 머물지 않을 것입니다. 일본 또한 그런 자세를 가져주길 바랍니다.
The president also took the opportunity to share news that the remains of Hong Bom-do, a Korean independence fighter who won major battles against Japanese forces, would be repatriated and buried in his homeland. Hong was forced to relocate to Kazakhstan and died there. Moon said that remembering each and every independence activist will awaken the people's self-esteem and pride. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.